Hello everyone. So, are you ready to change your habit? Are you interested to change your habit? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. Mindset, belief and habit. You want to change your habit. You want to upgrade your habit. You want to quit your bad habit. So first work on your mindset, your fixed mindset or growth mindset. You are a fixed mindset guy or a growth mindset guy. How you can identify? If you believe your skill, your knowledge and talent cannot be changed, you cannot upgrade your skill, you cannot gain more knowledge, you cannot uncover your talent, then that is an example you're a fixed mindset guy. But if you believe your skill, your knowledge and talent can be changed, you can improve your skill, you can get lots of knowledge, you can identify, uncover your talent, that is a perfect example of growth mindset people. Let it understand in this way. This is a lock, and when the lock is in locked condition, we all are using lock at home, हम सभी अपने घरों में लॉक यूज करते हैं, और जब लॉक लॉक्ड कंडीशन में होता है, it means fixed, nothing is going in. But when it is unlocked, when it is open, that is an example of growth mindset, right? So when you are open to learn, when you are open to explore the new things, when you are open to change, it means you are a growth minded guy, you are a growth minded person. Now the belief, what is belief? Belief है क्या? डीप रूटेड थॉट, जो थॉट आपके दिमाग में बैठा हुआ है कई सालों से, वो आपका बिलीफ है. और बिलीफ किस तरीके का होता है? बिलीफ है लिमिटिंग बिलीफ एंड और नेगेटिव बिलीफ. Limiting belief or negative belief, and second one is empowering belief. Limiting belief means I am not enough, it's not possible, I cannot change, I cannot be excellent speaker, I cannot earn more money, I cannot break my fear and everyone will laugh at me. These all are the examples of limiting beliefs. ये सारे limiting belief, negative beliefs के example हैं. आपने अपने mind में या fix कर रखा है कि मैं enough नहीं हूँ, मैं चेंज नहीं कर सकता, ये पॉसिबल नहीं है, मैं एक्सीलेंट स्पीकर नहीं बन सकता, मैं ज्यादा से ज्यादा पैसा अर्न नहीं कर सकता, मैं अपने फियर को ब्रेक नहीं कर सकता और सभी लोग मुझ पर हंसेंगे. यह सभी लिमिटिंग बिलीफ्स है, नेगेटिव बिलीफ्स है, जो कि आपने अपने माइंड में फिक्स करके रखा है. सो आपको क्या करना है? वंस यू कम टू नो योर लिमिटिंग बिलीफ्स, नेगेटिव बिलीफ्स, जैसे ही आपको आपके लिमिटिंग बिलीफ्स, नेगेटिव बिलीफ्स पता चल जाते हैं, यू हैव टू मेक इट एम्पावरिंग. एंड हाउ यू कैन मेक एम्पावरिंग बिलीफ? आई एम इनफ. The empowering belief is I am enough. Yes, it is possible. I have to work on it. I have to take action. Then it is possible. Yes, I can change myself. It's easy. I can change myself. I can be excellent public speaker if I join the classes, if I mingle with the growth-minded people, if I mingle with the good people who are fluent in communication skills. So I can be an excellent public speaker. I can be an excellent public speaker. I can also earn money if I start solving people's problem. If I add value in their life, I can also earn the money. I can break my fear. Yes, I can break my fear. Only thing, I have to go near to my fear. Then only I can break my fear. That is empowering belief. Everyone will laugh at me. So your empowering belief is I don't care whether people will laugh at me. I don't care. I'm not bothered about that. Whatever is required, I will take the action, and that is your empowering belief. Now habits. So every day you have to take small action. Every day you have to take small action. And when you repeat, when you repeat, so what you are doing, you are creating new path in your brain. When you are taking same action every day, so what will happen? The new path will form in your brain, and that will help you to be automatic on that habit. So let's say you are walking on the same path every day. So what will happen? After a period of time, automatically you will walk on that path. You no need to remember. That habit is become automatic. So same thing happens with our daily habits. When we take the action every day, it becomes automatic, and you no need to bring lots of motivation or energy. It becomes automatic. So if you want to alter any bad habit, or you want to build any good habit, what you have to do, first focus on your mindset. Be a growth minded people, and then work on belief. Work on your belief, find out your negative beliefs and convert it into empowering belief. If you start following this easily, you can build your good habit. Thank you so much for listening me. Bye bye.